Well guys, welcome back to Neck Air Custom. Finally got to take the bike out yesterday. Found one little problem. Let's get geared up and get to work. Alright guys, so the issue is this heel toe shifter setup. I have fairly large feet. Maybe I'm not used to it, but riding along, I can hit both, which is great unless I hit a bump and all of a sudden bump it into neutral, which has happened more than once. So I'm going to pull the heel part off. But I had fun. I didn't ride far. Loving the bike. So, here we go. No. Hey, look at that, it is 8 now. So yeah, I just rode around the block a bit, trying to figure everything out, because, you know, I mentioned this before, I've never ridden a bike. A couple guys from work that have bikes came over, gave me a hand, gave me some tips. There we go. That part's done. Next thing I'm going to do is find a spot to put the Gremlin bell that my wife got me on. I'm going for a ride later, so should probably put it on. Comment, let me know where you think I should put it. I think I'm going to put it on the crash bar here, but if you guys have a better spot, let me know. As told, put it as low as I can. I don't see anywhere lower, so, but if you guys can think of a better spot, I'm all yours. Be right back. So, I'm back. And what needs to happen is that shed needs to get cleaned out. So, future me is going to clean that shed out. Current me is going to get this done. Sure. So I'm not going to take it completely off because I don't want to have to realign it. I am going to get this over top of this. Somehow. I guess I could just put it like that, but I'd prefer to put it in behind. Maybe I'm digging it all the way out. There you go. All right. Oh, there we go, boys. My heel toe shifter is now just a toe shift. My Gremlin bell is installed. Probably the most important part, because I don't want to fall anymore. But yeah, that's gonna about do it for this episode. Thanks for checking me out. Comment if you have anywhere else. Oh, I got another question. We'll go back to the outro here in a second. So, somebody, I don't know if you can see it from there, if I gotta get over the other side. I'll go to the other side. Ugh. So, that is a previous Guardian bell, Gremlin bell, whatever you want to call it. Its previous owner, do I leave it on, take it off? What do you guys think? Comment, let me know. I can't figure out whether I should take it off or not. I don't mind having it, but I don't know if I'm supposed to have it, so let me know what you guys think, and see you in the comments. But like, share, and subscribe, man. I'd appreciate it. It's a lot of work doing this YouTube thing, and I'd like to know people are enjoying it. But let me know. I'll talk to you later. See you in the next video, which is probably going to be to clean that shed out, because I got to get back to work on the chopper. I've been working on this a bit, but I want to work back on the chopper again. Especially if it's raining or something, it'd be nice to have to do instead of riding. And yeah, I'll talk to you later. Thanks for checking me out. And this is Spock.